Replacing employment income through dividend investing represents a shift in how we approach wealth building. SCHD offers exposure to about 100 high-quality U.S. companies selected for their dividend-paying capabilities. With a yield of 3.99% and an expense ratio of 0.06%, SCHD is an efficient vehicle for long-term growth. SCHD has achieved a 10-year average return of 10.47%, combining dividend income and price appreciation. With a $50,000 investment, you initially see about $1,700 in annual dividends, starting a powerful compounding cycle. Through dividend reinvestment, these payments purchase additional shares, creating an accelerating wealth-building mechanism. The transformative power of SCHD investing becomes clear when we look at long-term projections based on historical performance. With a disciplined reinvestment strategy, a $50,000 investment could reach remarkable milestones over time. By year 5, annual dividend income might reach $2,500, a 50% increase from the initial $1,700. By year 10, the investment could grow to $119,000, generating around $4,700 annually. In the final phase, by year 30, the investment might approach $3 million, yielding $80,000 annually. By simply staying consistent and letting time do the heavy lifting, you could be looking at a full-blown income machine. That's $80,000 a year, completely passive. The stark contrast between dividend growth investing and traditional employment becomes evident when examining income generation mechanisms. Traditional employment creates linear income, compensation tied to time invested, limiting your earning potential. Current economic data reveals the average American salary at approximately $54,132, leading to significant financial stress for many. In contrast, dividend growth investing creates exponential income potential. You hire companies to work continuously on your behalf. Companies like Coca-Cola, Home Depot, and Lockheed Martin work around the clock, generating profits and distributing dividends. While most people are grinding 40 hours a week, SCHD investors build income streams effortlessly. Your money is working overtime 24/7. Successfully investing in SCHD requires understanding mechanical aspects and the psychological challenges of wealth building. The first step is establishing a brokerage account with platforms like Vanguard, Schwab, or Fidelity. They offer user-friendly interfaces with minimal fees. Automation is crucial in dividend growth investing. Set up automatic transfers from checking to brokerage accounts to ensure consistent investments. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, are vital. They automatically reinvest dividends, maximizing compounding without needing your intervention. Your account selection matters. Tax-advantaged accounts, like Roth IRAs, allow dividend income to grow tax-free, enhancing long-term returns. Dividend growth investing involves risks that every investor must understand. Market volatility presents the most immediate challenge for investors. Historical data shows even high-quality dividend funds like SCHD experience price fluctuations during downturns, as seen in the 2008 crisis and 2020 pandemic. Dividend cuts during economic stress periods present another significant risk. No dividend payment is promised, regardless of company history. Economic downturns may force well-established companies to reduce or eliminate dividends, disrupting income projections for investors. Tax implications also matter, particularly for taxable accounts. Dividend payments incur tax obligations in the receiving year. For 2023, tax rates on qualified dividends range from 0 to 20%. Higher earners face significant tax burdens on their dividend income. Long-term investors can overcome these challenges by maintaining emergency funds, diversifying investments, and optimizing account structures. Importantly, maintaining psychological discipline is key. Focus on long-term income growth, not short-term price movements. The psychological aspects of dividend growth investing often determine success or failure more than technical investment knowledge. Building wealth through dividend investing requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective during market turbulence. Research shows that automatic contribution systems increase your chances of reaching financial goals by 73% compared to manual investing. The emotional rewards of dividend growth investing go beyond financial returns, creating positive reinforcement that encourages continued investment. Successful dividend investors often find that reaching milestones, like covering utilities or mortgage payments, offers profound psychological benefits. The analysis of SCHD as a vehicle for building income reveals both promise and requirements of dividend growth investing. While 50,000 to 80,000 annual income projections after 30 years appear attractive, discipline is crucial for success. Dividend growth investing through SCHD shows that patient investors can build substantial passive income streams over time. This strategy requires decades of commitment, transforming modest initial dividends into life-changing income gradually and dramatically. The key lies in starting early, investing consistently, and allowing the power of dividend growth to work over time. While $50,000 in SCHD may not replace full-time income instantly, patient investors could build financial independence. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.